of people would do is they'll draw a box first and then colour the box in. What we actually recommend is the complete opposite of that. You start from the centre and you push the product outwards.
If I start here and then come up.
Yeah, and then basically just work your way
And then just come back down all over the top of that again.
No, because I noticed before all the missed bits on the edges and it were doing me head in.
Con, you're a good looking lad.
Oh, no.
Work the camera.
I'm going to get told off, I think.
Outer edges first. Starting in the middle of the section, initially just spreading the product around, and then what you're going to want to do is start going in circular motion. You can see, I don't know if everybody can see it, but it's almost, the glass has naturally rejected it, so it's almost beaded it out on the surface.